Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios for Saturday, October 24th using the 5 off 25. We have some really good scenarios. If you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once the screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an VRYQQ oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some VRYQQ and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's not waste any more time. We're going to get started. You're going to pick up 3 Scott toilet papers, the 12-pack rolls for $5 each. You're going to pick up 4 General Mills cereals, 2 for $5. You're going to use a $1 off 1 General Mills cereal digital coupon. Use a $1 off 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one of the Schick Classic Razor 3 counts for $4.50. You're going to use that $3 off 1 Schick Razor digital coupon. And you're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $29.50. $3 in instant savings will come off. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $10 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $16.50. Also, be sure to scan your receipt to fetch rewards. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up 1 of the Scott toilet paper 12-pack rolls for $5. We're going to buy 2 of the Scott paper towel 6-pack rolls for $5.50 each. We're going to use that $2 off 2 Scott products digital coupon. It's only attaching to the paper towels, not the toilet paper. That's why we're getting 2 paper towels. Then we're going to buy 1 Gain liquid detergent 40 ounce for $3.95. We're going to use that 2 off 1 Gain digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Vaseline lotions. They're 10 ounces. They're $3.50 each. We're going to use that $1 off one Vaseline digital coupon. We're also going to use that $2 off $6 purchase of Vaseline store digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2, and we're going to use that $1 off one Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Also, make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $28.95. $3 worth of instant savings will come off. You'll enter your telephone number with the keypad. $13 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $12.95. And again, be sure to scan your receipt to fetch rewards. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is Ibotta. If you download Ibotta, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. Ibotta has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from Ibotta, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up one Always Discreet pads for $5. We're going to use the $4 off one Always Discreet digital coupon. We're going to pick up one Gain liquid detergent 40 ounce for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Gain detergent digital coupon. We're going to pick up one Schick classic razor 3 count for $4.50. We're going to use that $3 off one Schick razor digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Vaseline lotions for $3.50 each. We're going to use that 1 off 1 Vaseline digital coupon, and we're going to use that $2 off a $6 Vaseline store digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 General Mills cereal. They're on sale 2 for $5. We're going to use that $1 off 2 General Mills digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.45. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.45. And again, don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards. Okay, let's go ahead and throw in a super low out-of-pocket scenario for you. You're going to pick up 3 of the Pantene. They're 3.3 ounce bottles. They have shampoo and conditioner. They're in the travel and trial section. They're $1.50 each. You're going to use that 5 off 3 Pantene digital coupon. You're going to buy one of the small Tresemme hairsprays, 4.2 ounce. They're $2.95. You're going to use that $2 off 1 Tresemme digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks. They're up front by the registers. They're like 3 for $1, so they're 34 cents each. You're going to use a $1 off 2 Welch's digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one of the Bic Us Razor starter kits for $9. You're going to use that 5 off 1 Bic Us Razor digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 Baby Ruth candy bars. They're 95 cents each. You're going to use a buy one get one free Baby Ruth digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Always Discreet pads for $5, and you're going to use that $4 off 1 Always Discreet digital coupon. Plus, you are going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $26.03. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $23.95 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $2.08, which for 11 items is about 19 cents per item. Plus, scan that receipt to fetch rewards. Now for our final scenario, we're going to buy 1 box of Love's diapers. They're $15. We're going to use $1.50 off 1 Love's digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 bag of Love's diapers for $6.50. We're going to use the $2 off 1 Love's digital coupon. Plus we're going to use that $4 off $20 Love store digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 pack of Always Discreet pads for $5 and use that $4 off 1 Always Discreet digital coupon. Of course, you want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will be $26.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $16.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $10. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get back $3 for the big box of Loves and $1.50 for the small box of Loves. Make sure you clip those rebates in the Ibotta Ibotta app before you go shopping. So after coupons and rebates, your total will be just $5.50 for all those diapers. Well, those are the scenarios I have for you this week. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn the notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, please leave them in the comment section down below. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.